So now we can discuss about the basic application of law of inertia. So to explain the applications of law of inertia, I have taken a 5 to 6 independent examples. Listen the video, listen these applications very carefully. If you are able to understand these application will be preserved in your brain for lifelong. Reason, we can easily learn this basic statement of the Newton first law, second law, third law, but we sometimes ignore the basic application. If we have to be highlight what is the basic applications of Newton's first law or law of inertia, so at that time we stuck. So listen carefully, I will explain each and single application one by one. Come to the first application when the car moving with a speed and suddenly stopped. What it mean? When a car is moving with one particular speed and suddenly stopped, what happened at the time? As you already know, as the car is going to be stopped at that instant of time, the driver try to come to the rest position, but what happened? Moving car come into the rest, but driver still moving with the speed of the car and it falls in a forward direction. That is the first example. Second example, when a running horse suddenly stops, the rider falls forward direction. What it mean? It means when horse suddenly stopped, at that time, remember, at that time lower body of the rider come to the rest, but upper body of the rider still in a motion. That's why that rider falls in a forward direction. That is second example of the law of inertia. Understand? I will repeat it. When a running horse suddenly stopped, similar to the moving car, running horse suddenly stopped. At the time, what happened? Lower body of the rider come to the rest, but upper body is still in a motion. So as due to the law of inertia, that rider falls toward the forward direction. Reverse the application. If horse suddenly starts, third application, when a horse suddenly start moving, a rider falls in which direction? Rider falls in a backward direction. Why? Question rise, why now it is in a backward direction? Reason, as the horse start moving, the lower body of the rider come in a motion, and upper body still in a rest. That's why the rider falls toward the backward direction. Another example of the law of inertia, that is household example, basic example of our basic thing which is available or used in every house, that is carpet. When we hit a carpet with a stick to remove the dust, what happened at the time? When you going to hit a carpet, what happened at the time? Law of inertia is working at that time again. How? When you hit the carpet with a stick, at that time your carpet get in a motion, but dust particle remain in the rest position. That's why your carpet get cleaned. So that is one kind of example of the law of the inertia. Move to the next one. When we shake the branch of a mango tree, the mango falls down. When we shake the branch of a mango tree, Mangoes falls down. Mangoes falls down. Again question. When you shake the branches at the time, branches of the mango come in a motion, but still mangoes are in a rest and they get detached from the branches and they get falls down. One kind of example. Never try this. Most important to discuss. But never try this in your life. A man jumping from a moving train. Man jumping from a moving train. What happened? What happened at that time? What happened that time? As the man jumped from the train, as their foot are get in contact with the floor, at the time the foot come in a rest position, or they are going to be rest position, but upper body of the person is still moving. That's why the man can falls down in the direction of the train. Clear? So these are the 6 basic examples of law of inertia. Hope I have explained the each and single term in a good and precise way, and you have learned the things. If you learn the things, hit on the subscribe button and one like. If you needed a basic notes regarding the same, in a description box I will provide you the basic link. You hit on that link and download the notes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.